You could have just sprayed it down. It's hot. Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this HD glueless install, make sure if you're new to the channel you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you, but I shut it down. So you took it and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends. But we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah. I should have paid attention. You would have been my obvious choice. But I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you, but I shut it down. So you took it and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from MyFirstWig. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This unit does come with the yak, and I am here for the texture of this wig. Y'all know I love kinky straight, and kinky straight loves me, but the yak, okay, the yak was calling me, and I'm so glad they sent me this texture. When I say glueless, I mean no glue, no adhesive around my hairline, straight up, nothing, Nathan. Nothing is on my hairline, y'all. Let me go ahead and show you. Oh, I don't want this one. I want my black comb. Hold up. I know I got a black comb. Oh, actually, duh, they sent me a little pack right here. I hope they got a comb in here. Clip, comb. Here we go. A little ASMR action? Yeah. Look. No glue whatsoever on this wig. This lace blended down like a dream. Now out the pack, this lace will look a little ashy. Even when you put it on, it looks a little ashy, but the products, okay, the products is what's key. The products get this joint melted, okay? Y'all know I don't use no type of lace tint spray or nothing like that. I use my makeup, my foundation, and my contour shades to be exact. So I went in first with the excess from my foundation brush, and then I topped that with a smidge, okay, a little dabble of my contour. You know my creamy contour when I do my little cheekbones here? I just dabbed on top like that, as y'all saw in my little install portion. And this is how we sitting now. Now, if you see any type of peekaboo, listen, shh, mind your business. You know I'm here, okay? I'm trying to show you a glueless install. Obviously my edges are peeking on through, okay? They flapping in the wind because I did not pin this joint down and I did not use any glue on my edges. But before Brenda come get me, let me go ahead and just fold it up, flap it up into the folds. Like, look. You could have just sprayed it down. Listen, Brenda. It's hot. Considering the optics here, this looks pretty daggone good. Okay, I like the install. I like the install. I love the lace though. I love the lace on this wig. It's definitely giving me natural vibes. The hairline does come pre-plucked. You don't have to pluck anything if you don't want to. That's why it's called My First Wig. It pretty much gives you all the tools necessary to get your wig together or to at least rock her out the pack. But for moi, I had to do a little razzle dazzle, just a little bit to get my hairline the way I wanted it, and you know, I'm a lot happier now. I don't have on no eyelashes. You know what? And I'm not gonna do it now because I don't feel like it. I know y'all was looking at me like she look real bald in the face today. What's going on? Hold on. Ooh, where you at? God dang. All right, but this is how that unit is looking on me, y'all. And I actually like the install now. What I don't like, unfortunately, is the color. Not the whole wig, okay? This cute, this cute, this. I don't like that. I don't know what the thought process was for these ends, but they're not giving what I feel like they should be given. Y'all see right there, the color kind of goes all the way up. That's cute, okay? If you had this all the way around the wig, the dipped ends are not, they're not dipping how I need them to dip. Now I was on FaceTime with my bestie Jazz, and she actually said that she liked it. I don't know if she saw the whole wig. But y'all tell me down below, was Jazz right? Am I seeing things? I honestly think me snipping the ends off this wig, because they were a little scraggly or whatever, helped this unit a lot. It made it look a little bit more like pulled together. The rest of the unit though is on point to me. Oh, hold on. If I take that off, that looks pretty good. But when you add that, it's just kind of like, wait a minute. I got questions that need answers, okay? Quickly. Hold on. I think my wig is slipping back. I do got on my wig grip, and like I said, if I want to spray this unit down, I can definitely do that. But the wig grip is pretty much sitting in place. Now this does come in the middle part, as you guys can see, but you can part it, you know, on the left or right side if you choose to, or do like a little half up, half down situation if you choose to. I just left her as it is because I wanted to make sure this was a beginner friendly install for my beginners. So, you know, here you go. I did go in and bump my ends. As you saw, I was trying to use my little flat iron here. Not flat iron, my hot comb. I used my hot comb on my roots and around the hair, and I got this wig together quickly, okay? The flyaways were, you know, pretty much non-existent, using this and my flyaway tamer that I got from My First Wig. But I also tried to bump my ends using this hot comb, and it was working, but it wasn't working, you know, how I needed her to work. A little bit more practice, okay, and I'll get it. So I just went in with my curling iron and just bumped my ends, but she's sitting like this, y'all. She's sitting, you know, she's sitting pretty cute. Like I said, the texture of this unit is on point. The hairline is great. The parting space is great. The, you know, the bleach knots, all that kind of stuff. Everything on this wig is great except for the, you know, the ends. The dipped ends I'm not really feeling on me, but you know, somebody may like it. So, you know, check it out if you want to check it out. If you don't, then let me put my glasses on one more time so I can make sure that my wig is, that it's right, because I ain't gonna have y'all clocking me. Okay, she looking pretty daggone good, okay? Let me get this little part, this little one right here. It's a teensy bit ashy. I mean, y'all see it? I mean, you don't see it. I feel a little crooked though. Hold on, what's going on? Hold up, let me move my wig. There we go. It was a little lopsided. God dang. I can't be mad at this. I can't be mad at what this wig could potentially serve me this summer. No spray, y'all. And it's sitting like that. Even though the color is not my favorite, I still think I'm gonna rock this unit outside. Like, I feel like this could be my hair. No cap. I can't say that. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to My First Wig for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.